Hello, I'm Dr. Vaibhav Joshi, Department of English, Shri RP Arts, KB Commerce, and Srimati BCJ Science College, Khambat. I'm here to give my feedback for the FDP that we have attended. I know that when I was told about this FDP and when I was getting myself registered for the FDP, I don't know why, but I was not ready, I was not prepared to attend it in such a chaotic, pathetic situation from the world was going on. COVID-19 pandemic. And I think all of the participants, not all then many of the participants would be in the same situation. They wouldn't be ready to attend it. Because when the lakhs of people losing their lives in the world, how can we move on talking about academics in a group of people? They would have been thought that they are entering an academic utopia. But now, when we have ended up the season, I must confess that Team Gap, you won. It was really a very successful season of academic discussions. Great. I don't know how you gathered a plan, made up a plan of implementing such a virtuous kind of topic for a group of intellectuals to discuss. Then you gathered some bunch of 80 or more than 80 people under one umbrella, made them listen to various speakers, discussed about different things, and it worked. Your plan actually worked for us. And that's because of the zest of Team Gap. So congratulations for them and the principals of organizing institutions. Congratulations to all once again. Thanks to all the speakers. They have gathered plenty of informations which were badly needed to start off a new academic life with digital conversations, online teaching. I think they have given us almost all the things, all the basic things we need to start this new era of education. So thank you teachers, thank you the speakers. But one more thing, whatever we have discussed, more of the focus was on the speaker side. But there is always another side, and that's of a learner. So you had a success, you already had a success, but I would like to tell you, Team Gap, that give some tips to the learners, because our learners will be the students. So how should they deal with this process of online learning? That must be the question that you should think about. So bring out some guidelines for the students or have some workshops for students that how to learn. And that will make, I think, this FDP the real successful FDP. If the speakers who are already prepared by you are dealing with the prepared learners. And I have full faith that you will certainly do that. Congratulations once again. Thank you.